Command prompt opens and closes immediately. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So this problem could be due to damaged or missing system files. It could also be due to a third-party program conflict, or it could be due to corrupted user file and malware infection. So the first thing you can do is reboot your computer, as this will clear all the temporary errors. Another thing that you can do is run an antivirus scan, and you can do that by coming to Windows Security. You can just go to the search bar over here and type Windows Security. So once you're here, go over to Virus and Threat Protection. So click on Scan Options, and you can choose the type of scan that you want to do, and then click on Scan Now. So it will help you to find and remove any detected malware. So another thing that you can do is run SFC scan. So first you need to go to Windows PowerShell. So go over to the search bar over here and type Windows PowerShell, and then click on Run as Administrator. So go ahead and type this, and once you do, press Enter and then restart your PC. So another thing you can do is configure the environment variable. So click on Windows and R at the same time, and then type this over here, and then click on OK. So go over to Advanced, and then click on Environment Variables. So come down to System Variables here, and then click on Path. Go ahead and click on Edit, then click on New, and then go ahead and type this, and then press Enter, and then click on OK. Once you do that, reboot your computer. So the next thing you can do is make a new user account. So come over to your Windows setting, and you can do that by clicking on this and then clicking on this setting icon over here, and then click on Accounts, and then go to Family and Other Users here. So once you do that, you can click on Add a Family Member or Add someone else to this PC, and then just enter their email and then click on Next and follow the prompt, and then it will help you set up a new user account. Once you do that, sign in with the account that you have just created. So the last thing you can do is come over to your settings once more and click on Update and Security. Come down to Recovery over here, and then click on this Get Started under Reset this PC. So this lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then it reinstalls Windows. So this is how to fix command prompt opening and closing immediately. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.